Clear, clean, great-tasting filtered water. We're all thirsty for it. But in the U.S. alone, an estimated 2.5 million plastic bottles are added to the environment each year in search of the perfect drink of water. There has to be a better solution, and there is. Crystal Quest, a leader in the manufacturing of water filtration technology, has been providing clean, drinkable water for 20 years. With a deep commitment to providing the highest quality products and excellent customer service, Crystal Quest has been recognized by such leaders as Consumers Digest, Dr. Oz, and Colin Ingram's The Water Drinking Book. Providing cost-effective, reliable water filtration systems for residential, commercial, and industrial customers worldwide, Crystal Quest carefully monitors every step of its technology development to assure our products meet the strictest quality standards. Media and cartridge filtration can address all contaminants while leaving valuable minerals behind in the water. Reverse osmosis systems are ruggedly designed and manufactured for dependable, simple operation. Making the difference, our RO units provide higher outputs of continuous quality demineralized water for many industrial applications in restaurants, pharmaceuticals manufacturing, bottled water plants, and coolant chemical mixing. Brackish water application and desalination are also hallmarks of Crystal Quest. Our industrial water softeners offer the latest in ion exchange technology to remove harsh mineral ions from manufacturing water supplies, providing enhanced production to companies through energy cost savings, less material degradation, and shorter mechanical downtimes. In addition, Crystal Quest offers specialized water filter systems for arsenic, fluoride, and various sulfides that can be used for home or industrial purposes, offering our customers the cleanest and most environmental-friendly drinking water at a rating of high purity. With Crystal Quest's water filtration technology, you can rest assured that your water will be crystal clear. Contact our network of authorized distributors or visit us today, crystalquest.com, and join our thousands of satisfied customers.